Rhoades Express 810, runway right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway right, clear for takeoff, Rhoades Express 810.
Rhoades, 810, we have emergency standby. Going on the 220 heading.
Rhoades Express 810, radar contact, fly heading of 100 to Giant Vista 2, resume navigation.
820 has emergency, going to 220 heading, standby.
Rhoades Express 810, radar contact, turn left, heading 090, Giant Vista 2, resume navigation, climb and maintain 13,000, stay altitude.
Okay, Rhoades 810, radio check, how do you read?
Rhoades Express 810, loud and clear, how do you hear? Turn left, heading 180.
Okay, Rhoades 810, we've lost an engine. We are on the 220 heading. Maintaining 2,000, emergency, how do you read?
Rhoades Express 810, you're cleared, visual approach runway 4 right, you can turn in towards the airport.
Okay, Rhoades 810, we're going to have to run a checklist if we can get a delay vector.
Heading and just keep me advised and maintain 2,000 if that's the altitude you'd like.
Okay, 2,000 is good for now. We'll stay around 15 miles from the airport.
And Rhoades Express 810, when you get a chance, can I get, the nature of the emergency, I know you said an engine out, which one, how many souls on board and fuel?
Okay, all that is good. We'll give you all that in a little bit, Rhoades 810.
You're ready.
Yeah, we can take a turn to the right, towards the airport. We're not ready to land yet, though. And Rhoades 810 would like to come to the airport now.
Rhoades Express 810, roger, confirm you still have the airport in sight. Turn right,
negative.
Rhoades Express 810, turn right, heading 020, confirm you still have the airport in sight.
Negative, we don't have the airport, Rhoades 810, 020.
Rhoades Express 810, fly heading of 020, and would you like to intercept the localizer or do you want vectors?
Vectors straight to the airport. We might lose the other
040. And Rhoades Express 810, is it 2 souls on board and also how much fuel remaining?
Rhoades 810, standby. Okay, Rhoades 810, situation, we've lost number 1, an engine. And we're coming straight to the airport. We're going to need the fire department. There's a chance we're going to lose the other engine too. It's running very hot. And speed is, we're pretty low on the speed. Doesn't look good out here. You might want to let the Coast Guard know as well. And we don't have any hazmat. And fuel is about 2 hours of fuel.
And Rhoades Express 810, how many people are on board?
2 of us.
Rhoades Express 810, roger. Do you have the airport in sight? Rhoades Express 810, do you have the airport in sight?
Negative.
And Rhoades Express 810, low altitude alert. Low altitude alert. Are you able to climb at all?
No, negative.
Rhoades Express 810, roger. Proceed direct to the airport and you are cleared to land any runway.
We need a heading.
Rhoades Express 810, heading 060.
060.
Rhoades Express 810, the trucks are rolling.
You want to let the Coast Guard know as well?
Say that again?
Can you let the Coast Guard know we're trying to maintain altitude?
We will. Rhoades Express 810, the Coast Guard is on their way.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.
And Rhoades Express 810, if you want to land 8 right, if you can get to the runway, any runway, you are clear to land. Rhoades Express 810, if you can get to runway 8 right or Kahului, do you want Kahului?
I'd like the closest airport runway, please.
Kahului Airport is 3 miles north of you, off your 9 to 10 o'clock. Can you get that, Rhoades Express 810? It's to your left, about 3 miles northwest of you.
Okay, give me a heading.
Rhoades Express 810, the airport is about a 310 heading from you.
310, thank you.
Rhoades Express 810, the lights may need to be on 132.6. They may be pilot controlled. Rhoades Express 810. Rhoades Express 810, Honolulu Tower.
Honolulu Tower, this is Chief 2.
Chief 2, Honolulu Tower.
Yes, I was trying to call you on ground. Is ground out?
No, I was kind of busy.
Understand. Do you have a status update on this aircraft?
Chief 2, yeah, it looks like they went down in the water about 2 miles southeast of Kahului.
Understand. 2 miles southeast of Kahului. Yes, has the Coast Guard been notified?
Yes, they have.